The zebra swallowtail is a butterfly that was extirpated from the Pittsburgh area about 100 years ago. However, within an hour's drive to the west, south, and east of Pittsburgh, you will start to see them again. Their host plant is the pawpaw tree, which does still exist here, though it's a little bit rare. This is a pawpaw patch. It's in Pittsburgh proper, the only one that I know that appears to be pretty wild. They seem to be distributed too far apart to support the zebra swallowtails. Anyway, I'm here to talk about where the pawpaws grow and the zebra swallowtails follow, which is in the different watersheds. And we're going to start with the rivers of Pittsburgh, including the Ohio, the Monongahela, and the Allegheny. And let's see, where am I going first? I guess we're going to look at the Ohio first. There it is, and there's something going up there. I believe that's Beaver River. Actually, that might not be. Raccoon Creek is another one on the Ohio that's interesting. Chartiers Creek and Sawmill Run. In addition to that, I can say some specific things like Chartiers Creek goes directly to where the zebra swallowtail lives. The big Sewickley has pawpaws on it. The little Sewickley there is in the wrong place. Raccoon Creek apparently has pawpaws on it. I haven't explored that yet. Okay, now we're going to go up the Monongahela where it joins the Allegheny, and we're going to look at a few waterways there. Again, I haven't looked at all of these in detail, but some I've done more stuff on. Turtle Creek is one. Turtle Creek has a tributary, Brush Creek, which is very polluted, but it also has lots of pawpaws and goes pretty close to where the zebra swallowtail still exists. Peters Creek off of Clairton, and then there's another Sewickley Creek and Little Sewickley, which also goes to a spot where zebra swallowtails have been spotted. And let's see, what's next? We got Mingo Creek, and then there's Maple Creek, I think. Maple Creek, and Pigeon Creek? Yeah, Pigeon Creek. And there's like waterways between the Monongahela and the Allegheny, but they're kind of smaller. I think they might be important too. Anyway, we're going to go up north now, up to the Allegheny, and we're going to cover some parts that are of interest to me. First of all, there is the Kiski River. Its fancy name, I will have here, Kiski Minitas, I think. Is there a T? Minitas? Yes, Kiski Minitas. Okay, but then at Loyalhanna Creek, it becomes Conmock, which I can never say right for some reason. So we got the Loyalhanna, which joins the Conmock, which makes the Kiski Minitas. I don't know why they made that up. And we're going to look at some other waterways that are interesting to me. Some are more interesting than others. It's kind of, okay, Gertie's Run, coming up from, let's see, is it Millville? And then Pine Creek going up Etna. Sandy Creek actually does have some pawpaws growing on a tributary, and then Plum Creek has some pawpaws growing on it, and Puckata, which I haven't really, was it Puckata? I haven't really explored it that much. There's actually other creeks that I feel like I should look at. If you live in the Pittsburgh area, think about what waterway is close to you and what you can do to help it. And also, if you really want to help this happen, share these videos, tell people about the situation, like, comment, subscribe. I'm just doing these videos to hopefully inform more people, but it means it has to get out. Thanks, bye!